Hello friends, in this video we will show you the final output, the final result of the project Node Rover, a rover which is controlled by a web page which is served by our Node server. So let's begin. So this is our web page. Now we will connect the Node server's Bluetooth with our rover's Bluetooth. So it's connected now, Node, and now with medium speed we will go forward. Brake. Now we will move backward. Brake. Now left, brake, then right, brake, then back left, brake, back right, brake. Let me put focus on the rover, and with medium speed we will move forward. Brake. So as seen in the video, our node rover is properly working, properly accepting the commands from a web page which is served by a node, and node is in turn connected with rover via Bluetooth. So it's properly functioning Node Rover. Thanks.